The Jiffy Pro Sharpener from Smith's is easy to use and can sharpen straight-edge knives and both left and right-handed scissors. This sharpener features a coarse slot for dull or damaged blades and a fine slot for light honing and touch-up. To use the coarse slot, hold the knife on a flat surface with the cutting edge facing up. Make sure the blade extends about 1 inch past the edge. Place the slot over the blade and pull from heel to tip. Use moderate downward pressure and follow the curvature of the blade. Repeat this step 5 or 6 times until the blade is sharp. To use the fine slot, hold the sharpener on a flat surface with the fine slot facing up. Insert the heel of the blade into the slot while holding the knife tip down slightly. Then pull the knife through the slot from heel to tip, following the curvature of the blade. Repeat 5 or 6 times until sharp. To sharpen scissors, either use the right-hand side or the left-hand side. Hold the sharpener upright with the appropriate side facing you. Insert the scissors into the slot and close them onto the rod. Then pull them through the slot while trying to keep them closed. Repeat this step 8 to 10 times. After use, clean the sharpener with a damp cloth. Do not rinse the sharpener with water. Store the sharpener in a dry place.
Alright, today I'm going to show you the Capro 313 MeasureMate. It's a very innovative and useful tool with some great features. I'm going to go through some of those features for you. First of all, you're going to notice a triangular design of the rule. This is great, it's very durable, has a nice grip as well. On the back side here, you're going to notice there's a 0 centering mark. Equal distance apart kind of gives out or eliminates the guesswork. You'll see there's a horizontal and a vertical vial. And these 2 little sliders as well. These are very unique. I'm going to demonstrate them for you. One feature is the knife guide. You can put the blade in between there. You can cut down. It eliminates the blade from fraying out. It also protects you with this triangular design because your fingers are elevated from the blade. Another unique feature of these sliders is you can mark or transfer measurements. So you mark down on a picture frame or a shelving unit where they're at, and you can transfer them up to the wall. Eliminate some guesswork and also some multi-holes in the wall, kind of gets rid of that as well. And then right here is a unique little nail gripper. You can put the nail in there, and if you're afraid if you're going to hit your finger or whatnot with the hammer, you can eliminate that. It also has the drill bit sizes as well.
Impact Performance Series double-ended power bits from Irwin. Built for maximum durability, Irwin's Impact Performance Series power bits are manufactured to withstand the high torque of impact drivers. The precision tip ensures a better fit. And with their double lock technology, both ends lock securely.
1 bit, 2 tips. So you could be working on a door frame, or you can be working in some other applications where you're putting in a number 2 and then you need a number 3, you just flip it around and it makes it very easy.
I've noticed they fit the screw a little better It helps not camming out so much.
It takes a lot longer for the screws to strip out, but when they do, it's nice just to be able to take it out, flip it over without hunting another bit down.
Plus, the exclusive Power Groove design is for use with Irwin's magnetic screw hold attachment. The low-profile collar attaches securely to hold fasteners, reducing slipping and wobbling.
Irwin has come up with this ingenious idea with this magnetic clip that goes right over the bit, and it turns that bit into a magnet. Now you're not losing those screws, makes your job 10 times easier.
Irwin's Impact Performance Series double-ended power bits assortment includes 78 unique bits. Choose from 3 lengths and 4 tip types in a variety of combinations. So whether you're looking for twice the life or the convenience of carrying less bits, Irwin lets you do more with your impact driver.
Time is money in the construction industry, and the Irwin bit has made a big difference for us.
For the widest range of impact accessories on the market, be sure to check out the complete line. Impact Performance Series from Irwin.
Take a look in any professional trade person's tool belt, and you will find several screwdrivers with their share of battle wounds. Chipped and dented handles, bent and broken blades. The nature of varied projects often results in tools performing functions not intended in their design. Removing knockouts from junction boxes, tightening lock nuts, hanging tool belts off utility poles, punching holes in drywall. These all take a toll on your typical screwdriver. The new demolition drivers from Klein Tools solves this problem. Engineered and manufactured to meet the highest standards of a Klein screwdriver, the blade goes through dozens of manufacturing steps to ensure precise fit and durability. Then, Klein Tools added more. The custom manufactured shaft travels straight through the iconic Klein cushion grip handle to a full metal strike cap. The specially treated and plated cap is designed to take the force of impact and transfer it directly to the work surface. The durable handle and shaft can withstand prying forces that destroy lesser drivers. Klein engineers and manufacturing experts put these drivers through rigorous testing to ensure reliability on the field. One such test, performed in the Klein Tools Chicago area screwdriver plant, demonstrates the strengths of this new design. The force of 40 pounds dropped from 4 feet drives the blade of this 7-inch demolition driver into the steel plate. As can be seen, there is no damage to the screwdriver tip, shaft, handle, or strike plate. Available in 2 sizes, 4 inches and 7 inches out of handle shafts, these ultra heavy-duty premium screwdrivers will exceed demands of the most aggressive users. Klein now also offers a demolition version of the Phillips No. 2 screwdriver and the scratch-all punch to scribe metal, start screw holes, and perform a variety of piercing and punching jobs. New demolition screwdrivers, manufactured in the USA by Klein Tools and dedicated to the professional tradesperson since 1857.
So how do spring tools work? Spring tools work on a simple concept of mass times acceleration equal power. Two metal cylinders connected by a high tensile strength spring. You pull back on one end of the tool, releasing it like snapping a rubber band, and you create an impact of 3,500 psi on the surface area. Now, the patented no-pinch design makes it impossible to get pinched, so it's virtually safe for anyone to use. Our nail starter can actually drive a large box nail through hardwood, and our center punches can easily go through a coin. Our tools also have the finesse of delivering a very small amount of energy by varying how far back you pull the spring. This makes our tools ideal for precision work in tight spaces where a hammer just won't fit. That's a lot of power for the tool the size of a pin. Our tool never damages the wood or trim like a hammer can do and makes the job easier, faster, and is a higher quality solution. With 3,500 psi, it is powerful enough to set any size nail, but has the finesse to set delicate trim pieces without marring or damaging the wood. All spring tools are proudly made, packaged, and distributed in the USA and are guaranteed for life.